I'm Nick, and we're here today with an MSG 65 531. Today we're going to be showing how to change the cushions out on this seat. You can see they've seen their better day. Got some tears, some scuffs. Once these materials are damaged, once the fabric or vinyl in this case is damaged, it definitely changes the performance of the seat cushion. To stay comfortable, you can update these at any point, and this is not very difficult to do. So in order to change these out today, we're going to be removing two cushion screws here. It's a T25, and the back edge of the seat cushion is just a friction fit situation. So we'll start out by removing the seat cushion, or the back cushion. And the seat cushion, we're going to gently pull on the locking lip to the rear and then push the seat cushion forward. It'll unsnap. We'll install the seat cushion here. There's two catches on the front. You can see the hook here. Then we're going to snap in on this locking lip on the back. The back cushion, there's going to be two pegs here that drop in the holes on the back pan, and then our screws on the bottom. We've restored our seat back to its original look. This is a pretty easy job, as you can see. You can find more information about our products on usa.grambler.com.